Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change or reset your Shopify password. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser on your PC, laptop, or Mac and open myshopify.com and make sure you have already logged in as well. Once you are already on the website, tap on your profile name on the upper right and then click on the drop down that says Manage Account. Once you are here, you will now be redirected to another tab, and then tap on Security, the one with the lock icon. Over at Security, you are going to scroll down and then change your password. There is a button over here. All you have to do first is input your current password and then type in your new password. Make sure it's also a very strong password so no one else can know. Once you're done typing in, you will need to scroll down this time. In here, you can change your password. It's pretty simple. Once you're done typing in your new password, all you have to do is scroll down and confirm that password once again, and then you will need to click on the button that says Change Password, the one colored green. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.